Good morning. Welcome to the Friday forecast for April 20th, 2017. It's currently 9:44 a.m. and it's setting up to be a beautiful day out there with skies clearing throughout the region as a cold front moves through the area. Now, we do have some low clouds and fog over the New York City metro, Connecticut, and Long Island, where temperatures are being held down in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Fear not, though, because those temperatures will be skyrocketing as the cold front exits the region this morning, and these clouds basically lift out and mix out and get kicked out in the Atlantic. And what's to follow is some very comfortable and pleasant weather conditions. Temperatures are already jumping into the upper 60s to lower 70s over central and southern New Jersey, the Philadelphia metro and southeastern Pennsylvania, mid 60s in northeastern Pennsylvania. Now notice the winds are basically shifting to the west. They will eventually veer to the southwest as we head later on this afternoon, with temperatures rising into the lower to mid 70s along the immediate coast and upper 70s to lower 80s everywhere else. On the radar is pretty much high and dry now that that cold front has started to clear through the region. This rainfall out ahead of the cold front will continue to exit in the Atlantic, and tranquil dry conditions can be expected for the rest of the day. On the infrared satellite picture, an interesting scenario is starting to set up. Now, this cold front is going to be pushing towards the coast, but as it's doing so, it will rapidly weaken and basically collapse. It'll be strong enough to basically drive the low-level clouds like the fog, to mix out and clear out into the Atlantic. But as far as temperature changes, it's actually going to be warmer today than it was yesterday. So it's going to be very summer-like for the end of this week and the continuation on through tomorrow. But notice the cold front here stalls out over the southeast. What's happening is that we're getting an upper-level ridge that's starting to develop over the southeast coast. That's going to build up the coastal plain towards the northern mid-Atlantic for tonight on through tomorrow. And what that basically is going to produce is a cold front that is going to very slowly approach the region, but generally produce sky cloud cover tomorrow. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but generally pretty nice out there with summer-like weather conditions. In fact, temperatures tomorrow will range anywhere from the mid to upper 70s on Long Island to the upper 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast everywhere else, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. So very comfortable weather conditions, very summer-like weather conditions, but it's not going to last very long. So let's dive into this forecast for this afternoon. Again, our weakening cold front moves through, skies clear. It's going to be a very comfortable and very pleasant afternoon. Winds from the southwest of 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures will range again from the lower to mid 70s on Long Island, mid to upper 70s along the immediate coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. For this evening, look for scattered cloud cover. I can't rule out an isolated shower, but most locations will remain dry for tomorrow morning. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s on Long Island and lower to mid 60s everywhere else. For tomorrow afternoon, again, that cold front will start to approach the region and start to move through. It'll be emboldened by this high pressure system. It's going to be pushing south and quickly shifting towards the Canadian Maritimes. So again, most of the day on Saturday, scattered cloud cover. Can't rule out an isolated shower. Clouds increase on tomorrow night in through Sunday morning, with the threat for some widely scattered isolated showers. Temperatures on Saturday afternoon will range from the mid 70s on Long Island, upper 70s to lower 80s along the rest of the coast, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Sunday, that cold front will basically stall to the south of the region with high pressure building south. With an easterly wind in place, it's going to lead to overcast to broken cloud cover, the threat for some drizzle and some isolated showers, and much cooler weather conditions. Along the immediate coast, temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s as you move towards for highs. As you move towards the Delaware River Valley, temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s as you're going to be a little bit further away from that ocean influence. On Monday, that cold front rebounds northward as a warm front with some showers in the morning, followed by scattered cloud cover. Low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast and mid 50s in the Delaware River Valley. By the time we get to Monday afternoon, as that warm front is pushing northward, along Long Island and Connecticut, temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s. However, as you move over that warm front in the New York City metro, temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s. And then as you head towards the Delaware River Valley, temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s. Now, while that's happening, this cold front will be approaching the region. Now, the potential for strong to severe thunderstorms will likely remain focused in the Ohio River Valley and the eastern Great Lakes. However, as this cold front approaches, I cannot rule out thunderstorms in the afternoon, especially for southeastern Pennsylvania and southwestern New Jersey. As you head towards the coast, the atmosphere is more stable, so the threat is more in the form of scattered showers. So Monday is going to be a bit of a volatile day in terms of temperatures and also the potential for rainfall. As you move towards Tuesday, though, much easier forecast. Cold fronts off the coast, sky cloud covers expected. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows and upper 60s to mid 70s for highs. Of course, warmer conditions in the Delaware River Valley. On Wednesday, sky cloud covers expected with temperatures ranging from the mid 50s for lows and mid to upper 60s along the coast and lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley for highs. On Thursday, an area of low pressure will develop over the Tennessee River Valley and Mississippi River Valley, producing periods of rain by the time we get to Thursday afternoon. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s for lows and upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast and mid to upper 60s in the Delaware River Valley for highs. On Friday, that area of low pressure will approach the region. Now, there is some debate as far as how far north this area of low pressure gets. Some guidance keeps the low pressure system further south over the southeast, leading to only scattered showers for the region. However, other guidance brings that low pressure system and the upper level low further north, leading to widespread heavy rain on Friday. So we're going to watch that very carefully. One thing is for sure, there will be a stiff easterly wind, and that's going to lead to much cooler weather conditions, with low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s and high temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast and lower to mid 60s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.